In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ad creatives with AI agent in n8n. We'll build a simple but powerful workflow that takes product information, generates compelling ad copy with an AI agent, creates matching images, and then stores and shares everything with your team. By the end, you'll have a reusable system that turns a brief into ready-to-use ad assets in minutes. Start in your n8n workspace and create a new workflow. Give it a clear name so your team can find it later. On the canvas, we'll connect a few nodes end to end: a trigger, an AI agent, an image generator, and storage and notification nodes. Keep the workflow inactive while you build, and use manual executions to test each piece as you go. Let's begin with the trigger. You can use a webhook trigger if you plan to send product data from another app, or the n8n form trigger if you want a simple form your team can fill out. Include fields like product name, target audience, key benefits, tone of voice, and desired image style. For webhooks, test with a sample JSON payload. For forms, submit a test response. If you're exposing a webhook, add a shared secret or IP allow list for basic security. Next, add an AI agent node and connect a chat model such as a provider that supports structured outputs. In the system or instruction prompt, define the agent's role: a performance marketer who writes concise, persuasive copy aligned with the product details. Map the incoming fields from the trigger and ask for a few headline and body variations, a clear call to action, and any image prompt guidance. Set a temperature that matches your brand voice, and if possible, request a structured JSON response so downstream nodes can cleanly reference titles, descriptions, and image prompts. Now generate visuals that match the copy. You can use a dedicated image generation node if available, or an HTTP request node to call an image API, like a text-to-image model. Map the prompt from the AI agent, choose size and style parameters, and capture the resulting image URLs or base64 data. If you produce multiple variants, loop through them so each image lines up with its matching copy. Keep credentials in n8n's secure credential store. Never hardcode keys in fields. Finally, store and publish the results. Use a Google Drive node to save the ad copy as a document and upload the generated images into a dated product folder. Then add a Gmail or email node to notify your team with links to the assets and a short summary of the best performing variant candidates. Include alt text from the copy for accessibility and keep usage rights in mind when exporting. That's it, an end-to-end AI-powered ad creative workflow in n8n, ready to scale with your campaigns.